Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to the winter series. So in this series, I am suggesting you all the products that you need in this winter season. So today is the day of oils and serums. As an oily skin type girl, I don't feel like I don't need a lot of oils and serums in my life. But as soon as winter comes, I just feel like I need that oil, serum and all the pampering. So that's why I use a lot of oil and serums when it comes to winter, because in winter my skin becomes so dry and my skin becomes this much dry that sometimes it starts peeling, so I don't like that at all. So in this video I'm going to suggest you my top 5 oils and serums that I am using currently and I'm really enjoying it. So I think you will enjoy that too. So further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to suggest you is this Kama Ayurveda Organic Moringa Oil. Now you will say that this is an expensive product, but you have to understand guys, it has only moringa extracts and that is also cold pressed. So ingredients really matters to a product. There is no meaning that if a product has a lot of ingredients, that will be a very good product that can also react with your skin. So this product, I'm recently using this and I have also given an in-depth review of this product, so you can check that one out. But recently I have got this and I am enjoying this product because all you have to do prior washing your face with any type of face wash, and you just have to use 3 to 4 drops and you just have to massage your skin with this oil for 10 minutes. You just have to keep this oil on your face and this will get rid of extra pollution and all the pigmentation and all. So I love this one guys and I highly recommend this because it is not those product which does nothing for your skin, and the oil works for every skin type, whether you have oily, whether you have dry, whether you have combination skin type. Every skin type can use this product. Not a sponsorship video, just liking this product, that's why I'm suggesting you this. In the next, I'm going to talk about a very beautiful inexpensive oil, and I must include this in my top 5 oil because I am loving this product and this is my second bottle. I'm talking about this Ayurvedic Skin Lightening Oil. As you can see, this is almost new, but still I have used up this much. So this is my second bottle. First one I have got in PR and second one I have purchased by myself. So literally loving this one. It has saffron and it has turmeric too, which is absolutely amazing for winter season. As an oily skin type girl, I cannot use this in summer, but I'm really enjoying this in winter, and you will see the difference on my skin. If you are watching my makeup tutorials, you will see that my skin is looking much more better just because of this. I'm loving this one, and again you have to use this oil prior washing your face with face wash. You just have to take an ample amount of this product and you just have to put it all over on your face, wait for 15 minutes, and after that wash it off. You can use it twice a day if you have that much time and patience, but honestly I don't have, so I use it only once a day. Next, I'm going to talk about my absolute favorite serum. If you are using this, you know why I am loving this. I'm talking about this Purple Skin Rejuvenating Serum. This is my second bottle and you can see it's almost finished. I use this particular serum before makeup just to make my skin look more hydrated and more alive, and it really does that work. And this is so inexpensive guys, you don't have to think about money. If you are paying at least 1 rupee, you expect something, right? So this is something that you really need to try out if you are a college going or a school going girl, and if you are looking for some inexpensive and good serum for you. Next up on my list, I have another beautiful affordable budget serum, and I'm talking about this Good Vibes Licorice, I don't know how it's supposed to pronounce, but Good Vibes Licorice Facial Essence. This is how the packaging looks like. This is so cute packaging, and again it's a very affordable one. So if you are someone who actually saves your pocket money to buy something good skincare which will actually affordable and actually work for you, this one is for you guys, and it really helps to get rid of extra pimple causing marks. I really love this one. So I'm using this currently and you will see in my makeup tutorial. So love this one, so beautiful, works beautifully for your skin. But this one is not for combination skin type. If you are oily or if you are dry skin type, you can use this one. Last but not the least, I'm going to talk about an underrated oil. I don't know why it is so underrated, but this is so beautiful product guys. I'm talking about this Sohat's facial oil, and it is 100% natural oil too. It has beautiful ingredients like like tea tree oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, and it has only 5 products that I have mentioned. This one I actually bought in 2020 and I have never used it, but currently I'm using it and I am loving this oil right now. Even you can use this oil after shaving, which is an amazing thing. This is so calming, this is so beautiful and gives your skin a very nice glow. So love this one. I don't know why this is so underrated, no one talks about it, but I just wanted to give this one a try and I'm literally loving it, so that's why I'm recommending you this product. Alright guys, with that we are done with our today's video. I hope you get a little bit of idea how to invest your money, how to invest your hard-earned money into different type of products. And it does not matter that you have less money, because in India right now many companies are producing very good product under affordable budget. So you can invest in the products according to your budget. So don't be upset guys that you don't have a lot of money or something like that. It's not a problem at all to have less money. So I hope you enjoyed it. So if you did, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get the notification of that. And hopefully I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.